Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into running. Whether you're a beginner or getting back into it, these 10 tips will help you crush it. We're talking about building a solid routine, staying motivated, and actually enjoying the process. Running can be a life-changing experience, both physically and mentally. So if you're ready to lace up those shoes and hit the pavement, stick around. Let's do this. First things first, you need a plan. Not just saying, I'm gonna run more. We're talking about a structured plan that gradually increases your running time and distance each week. This prevents injuries and keeps you motivated. Begin with a mix of walking and running. Maybe start with 10 minutes of walking, followed by 1 minute of running, repeated a few times. The important thing is to have a plan, write it down, and stick to it. Let's talk shoes. Good running shoes are non-negotiable. Proper running shoes support your feet and absorb impact. Get fitted properly at a local running store. Investing in good shoes is investing in your health. You've got your plan and shoes, now it's time to run. Start with a proper warm-up to prep your muscles and prevent injuries. After your run, cool down with a light jog and static stretches. This helps reduce muscle soreness and aids recovery. It's tempting to set big goals when starting out, but setting unrealistic goals leads to disappointment and burnout. Start small and gradually increase your targets. Celebrate small victories. They add up to big results. Remember, consistency is key. Running the same route every day can get monotonous. Mix up your routine to keep things interesting. Try interval training, long, slow runs, and tempo runs. Explore new routes and listen to your favorite music. Keep your runs exciting and varied. Staying hydrated is crucial. Water regulates body temperature and keeps everything functioning properly. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, not just during your run. If you're feeling thirsty, you're already dehydrated, so drink up. There's a fine line between pushing your limits and injury. Pay attention to your body's signals. If something doesn't feel right, stop running. Consistency is key, and staying injury-free is essential. Running doesn't have to be solitary. A running buddy makes the experience more enjoyable and keeps you accountable. Find a friend, family member, or join a local running group. Sharing the miles and motivating each other makes a big difference. Celebrate post-run victories together. Track your progress to stay motivated. Use a running app, fitness tracker, or notebook to log your runs. Record your distance, time, pace, and how you felt. Seeing your improvement is incredibly motivating. Amidst all the plans and goals, never forget to have fun. Running should be enjoyable and a celebration of what your body can do. Explore new routes, listen to music, and embrace the journey. Celebrate small victories, and don't beat yourself up over missed runs. And there you have it, folks. 10 game-changing tips to kickstart your running journey. It's about getting out there, pushing your limits, and discovering what you're capable of. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, like, comment, and subscribe. Happy running!